What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Diesel Anatomy YouTube video. Today is going to be a definitely different video just because we are bringing a truck on the channel that we have kind of seen but kind of not. So it's going to be kind of cool. It's a really nice truck. You guys are going to love it. It's nice to see, you know, when someone puts just as much hard work and effort into like the same kind of hobby as you do. So this is a really nice truck, and I put together a little video for you guys. Check it out. Also, you can go follow and subscribe to his channel. I'll throw that up in like the description or in the video. So stay tuned and check out this truck because it's pretty nice.
I know sometimes I let my pride get the best of me, thinking we got telepathy, working on it every day, but I don't know what's next for me. Wish I could have everything, but nothing in this life is free. Gotta dig my heels in and think about what's best for me. I know you have your doubts, and trust me, I got them too. I know it's getting hard, but babe, I believe in you. We're gonna make it far, I promise that's what we'll do. I'm getting back on track, I promise, babe, you will too. Getting back on track, getting back on track, getting back on track, getting back on track.
Alright, everybody, I hope you enjoyed that video. I know that throughout these past few months we've been doing these videos. I'm hoping the editing is getting better and more lively for you guys to watch. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to the channel. A huge announcement is coming. I was really hoping to have it for the channel today, but we are not going to have that happen. That's kind of why we had to do a Sunday video instead of a Saturday video. But I'm hoping within the next week, maybe two, it's gonna be on the channel. It's just an exciting thing. So it's something I promise you guys have not seen very much of on the channel, and we're gonna be bringing it to this one. So the only hint I'm gonna be giving you guys is that it's we might be having two trucks of our own to start doing videos with. So tap that subscribe button because you're not gonna want to miss it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys next Saturday on the Diesel Anatomy YouTube channel. Peace.